Hey guys, it's Naturally Ali. Today we're going to be doing something different on my channel. We're going to be asking students what do they think about girls that can't cook, clean or wash. Girls that are not domesticated. So let's get to it.
So Brandon, question. Would you date a girl that cannot cook, clean or wash?
Yes, but not my first choice.
Why not?
What about my mom?
What about your mom?
She can do it, and I like the fact that she can do it.
So you know just make you and mommy and Arlie.
I like to be spoiled.
No?
You like to be spoiled.
You like to be spoiled. So I think I came up with a solution for you. What do you think about that? You, mommy and the girl. Now go work?
Mom can so love me and close the door.
Marrying, no. Dates, possibly, because she could bring it.
Would you date or marry a girl who can't wash, cook, clean, or iron? Why not?
But she can't help out around the house and like that's just unnatural though. It's just unnatural.
What if she's a breadwinner?
She's not ready. Oh no, that's no problem. No. If she's gonna stay at home and she can't do all of that, that's a problem. But if she's burning her now.
Everybody has to like do their own part of how the house. She wouldn't really be doing anything.
So that's a no.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Would you date or marry a girl if she cannot cook, clean, wash or iron?
Well, it's really about what's in your heart. However, you have to kind of stop. You know, coming from a Jamaican background, you know, we're kind of traditional in a sense. So we wonder if we can do something, you know, for wash, because, you know, well, we're in a more modern time, but cool.
Yeah. I just to the four, because I don't wash, cook, clean, or iron. So
She have a
yeah, that's my point on it.
Have a maid. So she can go on.
I don't think that's appropriate. I don't think anybody should do that. Like any male should marry a woman that can't do the essentials to keep a household together.
So, quick question. What if like she can do it, right? But do you think it's fair for her alone to be doing it in the house?
No, obviously not, but she should be capable of doing it. I will assist where I can, but...
Where you can,
yeah.
so you feel like she feel wash you?
No, I think that I should be the sole breadwinner because I should be treating her like a princess, being the provider, and she can pick up where I am.
So you don't think your girl should work then?
Of course she should, but I should do
Yeah, but if you're the sole breadwinner, you wanna bring the money. But what if she bring in money too? What if she'll make more money than you?
I don't have a problem with that.
But then you
No.
would have to wash and cook and clean if she a manager.
Alright. I don't have a problem with doing that, but I'm saying that she should be capable of doing it also.
So what do you think about being married to a lady who cannot cook, clean or wash?
Or iron.
It's not the norm, but I believe that both should be able to do all of those things. So not only for females, but so I don't think that a female should get married to a male that can do them.
Girl, better can't cook. Think you know you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book. Why in the kitchen cause you and them no look. You better cook. Think you know you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook,